Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix an expected error occurred and Roblox need to quit. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue while playing the Roblox and the error you get on the screen is an unexpected error occurred and the Roblox need to quit, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on your Roblox desktop icon. I have not installed the Roblox, so it's not showing here. Suppose if this is your Roblox desktop icon, just right click on that, click on properties, click on compatibility. Here in this you will find disable full screen optimization. You need to check mark this option, and you need to check mark this option also. Run this program as an administrator. Just click on apply, then click OK. After that, you need to try the second option. You need to open your browser. After that, you need to type as Roblox account manager and just hit enter. You will find the first option here, Roblox account manager. Just click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here download, just click on download. After completion of this download, show in folder, just click on show in folder. Just right click from here, copy, and you have to paste it on desktop. Right click and extract the files. Click on extract. Open this folder. This you can see here RBX Alt Manager. Just right click on that and click on open. Just click on yes. You need to wait to complete download this of Roblox. After completion of this, just click on add account. Here you need to enter your login ID and password, and you can just start your game from here. After that, still you are facing the issue, then try the another method. You just need to click on the search. Here you need to type clean mgr. Just click OK. Here you need to check mark all the options. And just click on clean up system file. Click OK. Just click OK and click on delete files. After that, after trying all this method, still you are facing the issue, then you have to try the final method. Just click on the start menu, then type here Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Just click on this Microsoft Store and download the Roblox from your Microsoft Store. After trying all this method, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix an unexpected error occurred and the Roblox need to quit. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.